Today we are making delicious and effective weight loss tea recipe incorporating ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and lemon. Golden weight loss tea. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1/2 lemon, juiced. 1 cup water. Honey or stevia. Instructions: in a medium saucepan, boil the water. Add sliced ginger and turmeric, reduce heat and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Add cinnamon powder and stir well. Strain the mixture into a cup. Add lemon juice and stir. Add honey. Drink hot or iced, 1 to 2 times daily. Benefits: ginger aids digestion, boosts metabolism. Turmeric anti-inflammatory, improves insulin sensitivity. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar, enhances fat burning. Lemon boosts immunity, enhances digestion. Tips: drink before meals for appetite suppression. Combine with a healthy diet and exercise for optimal weight loss. Consult a healthcare professional before using if you have any health conditions. Enjoy your golden weight loss. Physical benefits: boosts metabolism, increases calorie burn and enhances fat loss. Suppresses appetite, reduces hunger and cravings. Improves digestion, enhances nutrient absorption and reduces bloating. Enhances energy, increases vitality and mental clarity. Supports detoxification, removes toxins and waste. Herbal teas for weight loss. Green tea, high in antioxidants and catechins for metabolism boost. Ginger tea enhances metabolism and digestion. Hibiscus tea, rich in antioxidants and may reduce sugar cravings. Oolong tea combines green and black tea benefits for weight loss. Yerba mate tea enhances energy and suppresses appetite. Additional benefits: 1. Stress reduction, herbal teas promote relaxation. 2. Improved skin health, antioxidants reduce inflammation. 3. Immune system support, herbal teas contain antimicrobial properties. 4. Cardiovascular health, regular consumption may lower blood pressure. Precautions: consult a healthcare professional before using weight loss teas. Combine tea consumption with a balanced diet and exercise. Be mindful of potential interactions with medications. Monitor caffeine intake, especially with green tea. Some popular weight loss tea blends include slimming tea, fat burning tea, metabolism boost tea, detox tea, weight loss chai.